Picture this. It's 3:20 a.m., and the streets are quiet until a red Volkswagen Jetta decides traffic laws are optional. Trooper Not Today swings into action when the driver blows through a stop sign like it's a suggestion. Things go downhill, or rather full throttle, as the car stops, teases compliance, and then bolts like a toddler hearing bedtime.
Hey, turn the vehicle off! Turn the vehicle off, place the keys on the hood. Put them on the roof. Adam 32, we're gonna be 1037. We're gonna be going westbound. Speeds are gonna be 35.
Straightens out, we're gonna take. Now, get all the way.
TBI.
The Jetta, piloted by Rashad Pittman, zooms through intersections, weaves into oncoming lanes, and even hits 95 miles per hour, because clearly his motto is go big or go to jail. Trooper TVI Pro lands one spin move, but the Jetta shrugs it off. A second, perfectly executed tactical vehicle intervention finally ends the madness. The passengers walk away unscathed. But Rashad, he gets a one-way trip to "You're definitely not driving again anytime soon."
You're good. Get your hands up! Get your hands up and keep them up!
Keep your hands where I can see them.
Keep your hands where I can see them. Everyone keep your hands where we can see them. You get out of the car. Come out of the car right now.
Right here, right?
Keep your hands where I can see them. If you put your hands out, I will shoot you. Get out of the car then. Get on your face.
Yes, sir.
Turn around, face away from me.
Yes, sir.
Turn around, face away from me. Get on the ground.
Yes, sir.
Get on the ground.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt anybody. Please don't.
When the local sheriff's office flagged a stolen car on the run, the chase was on. The suspect zoomed down State Highway 5, swerving recklessly, barely missing a deputy, and treating speed limits like a personal suggestion. Enter Trooper. Not Today, hot on the trail with sirens blazing and lights flashing.
Get back on to Highway 5 heading northbound. I'm trying to catch that hill. You went northbound? I believe so. I didn't get a clear picture. It looked like a Trax hatchback. Give me the description again. $25 was paid after him up there.
Speeds hit triple digits. TVI maneuvers were attempted, twice, with the suspect dodging like it was a game. But as the fleeing car hit the intersection of Charles Blackburn Drive, Trooper Precision delivered a textbook tactical vehicle intervention, sending the car rolling off the road. The driver, checked out by medics, cuffed, and on his way to some well-earned legal consequences.
I don't know which way you're going to do that. Which way did you go?
Headed 60.
He is eastbound on the bypass. Good director, some 19 from you.
He's 97, hot traffic. Yeah, 10 for them. Take it.
Coming up on those screws. Perfect right behind you. Good.
Coming up on Buzzer Bruise.
Charles Blackburn. Coming up on Charles Blackburn. He's wrecked out.
I rolled over.
Rolled it right here before you get Charles Blackburn. Guys can't give me a heads up.
Harrison, give me an ambulance.
10-4.
We got it.
Guys can't give me
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Hey!